y'all. Today we're making a fun Taco Tuesday one pan meal. I've got 10 tortillas in here, just a regular taco size, and a can of refried beans. Usually I have pretty good luck with this, so let's see what we can do. There we go. Gotta love it when it cooperates. We're gonna spread this out. 2 pounds of ground beef that I've already cooked up and drained. That's gonna get sprinkled right on top of those beans. Today we're trying this brand new brand that I found at Walmart. It's called Spanglish Asadero. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's supposed to be, it's such a pretty package. I'm a sucker for good packaging. So that just gets sprinkled on top. Oh wow, it looks like an actual spice blend. Look at that. And we're adding some sliced olives. Got 1 package here. I've got a second one right here. These come 4 to a package, so I've got like 2 for a snack later for myself. Don't know if you like olives on your tacos. Let me know if you have other toppings you prefer. Then we've got these pickled jalapeno peppers. Just gonna put these right on top. Mix it in with the olives. This is kind of up to you how spicy you want it. Once we've got all those jalapeno peppers on there, I'm gonna be adding, this is a 2-cup bag of Mexican blend cheese. There's not any taco seasoning, but if you want to, you can get, I think it's called nacho blended cheese. We put the whole 2-cup bag on here. 2 remaining tortillas from that bag. It's a 12 tortilla bag. Just put that in the middle like that, and we're gonna start folding these over and using some toothpicks to hold everything together for now. Coming up right here on the end. That right like that. Put 1 more, just to hold it. I've got, this is half a stick of butter that I've melted, this nifty spray contraption. It's actually cool because it's a spray. But it's also got a pour top, so you can actually pour the butter on top. Another sheet pan here. We're gonna take out these toothpicks. See, it's holding its shape. Put the sheet pan on top, and then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven. Press it down like that for like 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my guys, this looks so good. Oh my God, okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Look at how that turned out. It's all cooked. It's all like one piece. I've got a pizza cutter, cut through. Good to kind of push in and then use the cutter. You can cut this into as many pieces as you like, but for this, I'm going to be cutting this into 6 pieces. Let me get this one out. That one looks the prettiest to me. Look at how that looks. Got a little bit of sour cream. The nice thing about this is these are entirely handheld. Pick them up like that. You have to make this, it's so good.